What is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video, I will be fixing an Oppo A16K, and the issue is the phone is stuck in the Oppo logo, as you can see. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I would like to um, let you know that I appreciate your support on my channel by watching my YouTube. I just want to let you know that my YouTube is now monetized. So after 10 years of making videos, I got my YouTube channel monetized. So expect for more videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see, initial troubleshooting, need to test the phone, and the phone just stuck in the Oppo logo, so it keeps on looping, turns on itself and then shuts off and then go back to Oppo logo, and it's been doing the same thing over and over again. Let's investigate the issue. Usually this cause usually the looping issue is usually caused by a hardware problem. So it can be a battery, power switch, motherboard, or a problem with the operating system. So the easy way to test it is to start with the power switch. So I'm just gonna disassemble the phone first, remove the glue or clean up the back cover, that we can remove the screws and remove the back cover so we can have access to the motherboard. And then there's a cover for camera that we need to remove first, and then remove the SIM card tray, and then start prying the edges to remove the back cover. Now back cover is out. Let's remove the motherboard. We need to try turning on the motherboard without the power switch, or without attaching the power switch to the motherboard, because I have a feeling that the issue is on the power switch. And for this model, power switch volume up and down are connected with one flex cable, something like that. So we need to check that one as well. And just be careful when dealing with the motherboard. It's gonna cause more problem if you are not careful. So I decided to remove the camera because it's difficult to detach the motherboard from the frame. So I have to remove the camera first. Alright. And then we'll attach the LCD, charging flex, and the battery again, and then we'll try to turn on the phone without attaching the power switch. Alright, you can see it looks damaged. Maybe maybe it's a liquid damage. Usually it's the main reason why switches get shorted out. Let's see what will happen if we turn on the phone without the power switch. So I'm using prying tool or guitar pick to separate motherboard from the power switch. And as you can see, it didn't shut off. So it looks like the problem is on the power switch, and we need to replace the switches on that cable or on that flex cable. Patch is also working on the screen. So let's focus on the power switch. Let's start with replacing the switches on that cable and see if that will fix the problem. So let's remove the power switch and just be very careful in removing this flex cable because it's quite fragile. And as you can see there, the 3 switches looks fried. So that could be the problem. We need to replace those 3 switches. It doesn't look good. So that area of the phone is quite difficult to remove, so I'm just using a precision knife, special knife, so I can remove without damaging the flex cable. So I get the flex cable removed. So while waiting or while working on the flex cable or the power switch flex cable, let's charge the phone, and then let's work on the switches. We'll need to replace all 3 switches because it looks fried. Alright. So to remove the switches, we just need to apply heat using soldering iron. Just follow what I did there. Just applied heat to remove the switches, and then to replace with a new switch, you just need to apply a little bit of soldering lead and a new switch. So you may use a microscope or you may not, but you should be able to do it without using a microscope. Now I'm in the process of removing the second switch, and then the third. Now here I'm in the process of putting the new switch. Get the second one. And the third one. All right, got it. Got replaced the 3 switches. Let's put it back on the phone. We'll apply glue and test it. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. I appreciate your support. Alright, let's test it. Volume. Volume seems to be working. Volume up and down. And the power. Yeah, it is working. So we can go ahead and assemble the phone. So we figure out the issue is on the power switch. After replacing with a new switch, the phone is working again. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Peace. Alright, let's test it.